Welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Carrie Marquis, and today we're diving into an important question. Is divorce law in Texas the right fit for your situation? Whether you're contemplating ending your marriage or are already deep into the process, understanding how Texas law applies to your unique circumstances can make all the difference. Texas has its own set of divorce laws that might not look like those in other states. For starters, Texas is a community property state, meaning that most assets and debts acquired during the marriage are considered jointly owned and will be divided in a, quote, just and right manner, end quote, not necessarily 50-50. This approach can work well for some couples, but may cause concern for others depending on their financial dynamics, business ownership, or separate property claims. In addition, Texas allows for both fault and no-fault divorces. A no-fault divorce, typically filed under the phrase insupportability, doesn't require either party to prove wrongdoing. However, if there's evidence of cruelty, adultery, or abandonment, filing on fault grounds could impact things like property division or spousal maintenance. If your situation involves infidelity or abuse, Texas divorce law does offer the ability to factor that into the court's decisions. Another thing to consider is the way Texas handles child custody and support. The courts prioritize the best interest of the child, and joint managing conservatorship is commonly awarded. But if you're facing issues like relocation, special needs, or high conflict parenting, the details of your case may require a more tailored legal strategy. Texas laws give judges flexibility, but that means your case could go very differently depending on the facts and how they're presented. So is Texas divorce law right for you? That depends on your specific circumstances. If you and your spouse have built a life with complex financial ties, or you're dealing with serious custody concerns, Texas law provides tools to address those if you have the right legal guidance. On the other hand, if you're expecting a quick split with little conflict, the system may still involve waiting periods and procedural hurdles that you should be prepared for. Thank you for joining us on the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. If you're wondering whether Texas divorce law suits your needs, we are here to help. Our experienced legal team can walk you through your options, whether you're just starting out or already in the middle of the process. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content designed to empower and inform Texans navigating family law issues, and we will see you in the next video.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.